Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold US dollar. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. And if we look at the chart right now, then we can see that after this heavy selling pressure, market is trying to recover. But if we consider the overall trend of the market, then we can still see that this market is under the influence of sellers, or the number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers, because right now market is trying to recover. But if you look at the chart carefully, or if you observe the chart carefully, then you can see that there is not much bullishness in the market. There is not much buying pressure in the market. If I zoom in the chart, and if I ask you to just concentrate or focus on this particular portion of the market, do you still think that this market is bullish? No, this market is not bullish. Rather, this market is a sideways market, or we can see that this market is flat. There is not much movement in the market. So we cannot consider gold USD is an uptrend right now. Overall, the market is still in downtrend. Market is trying to recover, and right now market is lying flat. That's it. Okay. So this is the overall scenario that we see on the chart of gold US dollar. But we have got few levels, important levels here. Let me draw lines here. The first and foremost is this level is trying to act as support for the market. Whenever gold USD is coming down, 1791 is trying to provide support to the market. So this level is a temporary support for gold USD, because on the downside we have got 1750 as the support, but 1750 is quite far away from the current market price. As a result, market is trying to take temporary support at 1791 level. Clear? On the upside, we have got this level. uh Let me draw a line here. We have got 1818, and right now you can see that market is trading at 1814, and it is going towards the 1818 level. So in case price starts getting rejection from above again, just like the old times, you can see that whenever market touched the 1818 level, or it went near the 1818 level, it started seeing selling pressure from above. In simple words, some sellers are present in this level, or sellers are sitting in this level, and they are not allowing the market to go or market to cross this level. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay. The market psychology says that sellers are sitting in this level, and they are not allowing the market to cross this particular level. And overall chart of the market is also towards the downside. And if we go to the 1 day time frame, generally I do not take you to the 1 day time frame, but in the 1 day time frame we can see that since 6th July, since 6th July, whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing price rejection from above. And in the daily time frame, we have got this resistance level, and right now we can see that on the daily chart, market is standing in the daily resistance level. So market is standing at a resistance on the daily chart, and on the 4 hours chart also we have seen that whenever market is trying to cross the 1818 level, it is facing heavy selling pressure. Therefore, considering these two factors and the factor on the weekly chart, because on the weekly chart also, if I remove the drawings, you can see that weekly chart also market is just standing at a resistance level. Therefore, considering all these factors, this is not the ideal position to buy. Because see, right now we do not have any proper direction in the market. We do not know where the market will move. In the weekly chart, we can see that market is standing at the daily resistance. Sorry, weekly resistance. And there is also some price rejection from below. So there is a possibility that bulls may try to push the price upward, but still we cannot be sure until and unless market closes above the resistance. And on the 4 hour chart also and on the daily time frame also, we are not having any clear picture. Therefore, whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever we get a scenario when we see that there is not much movement in the market is not trending, or market is lying flat, do you think that this is uh, this is a market that you should be trading right now? No, not at all. Because see, this is your hard-earned money. Do you think that your hard-earned money deserves a chart like this? Do you think your hard-earned money deserves a chart where there is no movement? No, hell no. If you want to make some money, or if you are looking for good movement in the market, then you should always trade where there is volatility, where there is movement in the market. See, we are all in the market, we are learning trading, or we are doing this stuff only because to earn money. And to earn money from the market, you need some movement. That is the most basic thing. And for movement, you must go to the Forex heat map, or you can also go to the Forex volatility calculator. Because see, the Forex heat map is clearly showing us that, okay, today almost all the currency pairs are lying flat except New Zealand dollar. You can clearly see on the Forex heat map that almost all the currency pairs almost all the currency pairs with New Zealand dollar is giving some good moves, because New Zealand dollar is green, deep green. For example, you can see that NZD Euro is up by 0.98%. Euro NZD USD is up by 1.11%. In fact, I have also taken position in NZD USD. So today is the market for NZD USD. If you are trading in gold, if you are planning to take a position in gold, my dear friend, gold market does not deserve your time. Gold market does not deserve your hard-earned money, at least for today. So therefore wait for couple of days or couple of hours at least, until and unless we get some good moves in the gold market. Till then, just avoid gold USD, because see, right now, though market is trading in a range here, generally in a range bound market, we can buy at the support, sell at the resistance, but there is not much movement here. In case market comes down to this support level 1791 level, and price reverses, then that's a different chapter. You can go for buy order, but as of now, just avoid gold USD. There are plenty of opportunities in the market, but gold is not one of them. That's it. So this is my analysis. My analysis may vary from your analysis. Then, if you think differently, then please write down your opinion and analysis in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.